When we think of anaesthetic gases, so we think of gases that we keep patients asleep with. Nitrous oxide is extremely polluting. Its global warming potential is 298 times that of carbon dioxide, and it hangs around for a long time, about 120 years. So its impact on the environment is massive. And the clinical use of nitrous oxide over the last 10 to 15 years probably is dramatically reduced. Within our hospital settings, most of our nitrous oxide is supplied via what we call a manifold. So it's a pipe supply from a big central sort of store area. But what we were finding is even though our use has declined, we were still purchasing a significant quantity of nitrous oxide. We have changed over to just having a small cylinder available on the wall in the theatres. And the aim of that is to significantly reduce the waste that we're assuming is coming from either because the gas has simply gone out of date before it's been used on the manifold, or because the infrastructure is so old, small leaks across that pipeline will actually add up over time and produce a significant amount of wastage and leakage from those pipelines. Actually, just having one cylinder available on a trolley, then we can move to wherever we need to use it in either of the 3 theatres. That is going to reduce the waste significantly. From calculations of looking at what we've used clinically compared to what we've been purchasing, if we can decommission the manifolds, we're probably saving around about 900 tonnes of carbon dioxide equivalents annually. Hopefully, by linking up teams and linking up with other areas, we can encourage changes in practice across lots of different areas and try and improve the carbon footprint of healthcare in that way as well. It's great to be able to kind of make these changes. Again, it's all relying on the team as well. So it's a team effort. Looking forward to sort of carrying on with the rest of the decommissioning to make sure that we kind of create as green a Wales as we possibly can and sort of reduce our carbon footprint from healthcare within Wales.